My name is Christie Arkovich. We are a Tampa law firm, Arkovich Law, and we specialize in student loans, bankruptcy, and foreclosure defense, even though that's not really a thing right now. So I wanted to talk today about taxes and the new SAVE program. Just so everyone knows, basically, SAVE has a 100% interest subsidy. So what that means, if you go on SAVE, if your payment that you're making, your income-driven payment, is not enough to pay the full principal and interest that month, then the remainder of the interest for that month will be wiped clean. It will be forgiven. And so that's how it doesn't continue to accrue interest. You may find that if you want to actually pay down your loan, like let's say you have SAVE initially, but that you expect to make more money later and you'll probably come off of SAVE, at that point, you basically might want to consider paying down in one annual payment any excess principal that you can. The reason I say that is because if you do so each and every month, it's going to go towards the interest that's waived. So let's say your income is low now, a lot of your interest is waived. You can, with a bonus at the end of the year, perhaps pay down your loan if you expect at some point later to be off of SAVE. Remember, SAVE is not income capped. So if you make a lot of money later, SAVE probably won't be a good option for you. There's other options to discuss, and we'll cover some of those in videos here. So what does this interest waiver mean? So that means when the income-driven forgiveness occurs in 20 or 25 years, you won't get a tax bill for the remainder. Under SAVE, the interest would have been waived all that time. Now, any interest that you have already accrued on the loan, of course, you would receive a tax bill for. Any forgiveness, you'd receive a tax bill for. Congress may change that between now and then. There are ways to plan for that as well. Particularly if you're in 5 states, it may be important to know that those states have income tax laws that require the taxation of forgiveness. I'm not a tax attorney. I know very little about taxes. Please don't consider this as tax advice. But those 5 states are Indiana, Mississippi, North Carolina, Wisconsin, and Arkansas. Florida's not one of them. And so our practice in Tampa, Florida, we usually never have to worry about state taxes. We don't have to worry about state income forgiveness and things like that. And we are, in fact, recommending SAVE for many of our clients to get that interest waiver, because that prevents someone from graduating with a $30,000 bill that becomes 70, 80, $80,000 by the time they're actually able to make payments on that. So use SAVE to avoid taxes where you can. And I think it is a very good idea. Read up about it a little bit. I think you'll be very pleased in what you find out. Thank you very much for listening. Hope you have a great day.